Hey, what's up everyone? I know bikes take all our paychecks and for some of us even max out our credit cards. And while these tips and tricks won't pay off your 10K loan on your 8-year-old bike anytime soon, they're still worth it when your budget is limited. I know a lot of riders are going to be upset at me for saying that water wetter is a waste of money, but it's not that water wetter itself is a waste of money. Buying the pre-diluted version is what's wasteful. You're literally paying top dollar for a few ounces of water wetter mixed into a whole bunch of deionized water, which is basically just purified water, but in a different way than drinking water. And if you're thinking the deionized water is what makes it worth it, it's not. I'm not going to go into all the details of it, but I did the research just to make sure I wasn't wrong about the water. In the end, distilled water is cleaner and thus may be better and typically more expensive to produce, yet it costs about $1 per gallon at your local grocery store. So just buy the concentrated version of water wetter and mix it yourself. The instructions are super simple and a $10 bottle can make enough coolant for like maybe 2, 3, even 4 bikes depending on the capacity of each bike. I normally buy used bikes, and even though I inspect the bike before buying, sometimes the forks will begin to leak, especially after I let the bike sit for a few months. So is it time for new fork seals? Well, maybe, but maybe not. First, try using this super simple tool from MotionPro. It helps remove dirt and other particles that may be trapped between the seal and the fork. If you don't think it will work, just buy one. It costs $5, and if it does work, you just saved yourself a good chunk of change, and then you can justify buying some extra parts from HHR Performance like a raised gas cap. So, why would you buy a raised gas cap? Well, because raised gas caps don't require you to use a key to open them, and it can save you out on track. You can't forget something you don't need. But using a raised gas cap in your street bike can also be helpful at the gas station, so you don't have to fumble around with your key to pump gas. A quick twist and it's ready to go. But if you don't have the money to buy a gas cap and you don't want to carry a key with you when you go to the track, you could just remove the cylinder from your OEM gas cap and use a screwdriver to open it. I know it's not as nice as the Lightec, but it works and you will need to remember to bring a key. If you're still using regular Cotter pins on your rear axle, you're literally throwing money away. Cotter pins are designed as a one-time use item because the metal becomes brittle as you bend it and then it breaks, so it's recommended you switch them out every time. But there's Cotter pins that are designed to be reusable and they're basically the same price as the one you're already buying, so this is just being smart with your money. And you don't have to just use them on your rear axle. Some people have used them on their oil cap. Leave me a comment down below to let me know in what other creative ways you have used them. This tool right here is probably one of those tools every motorcycle mechanic should have. In my opinion, this is the best way to change out your front tire. Some disagree, but for the price and how well it works, you can't beat it. Well, that is all I have for you today. I hope you liked the video and that you subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks.